Hello, Namaskar. So children, today we are going to learn about numbers. You already know many things about number. Let us see how much do you know. Let's count these blocks. How many are these? So let's see. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we know. Do you know the counting? So let us see again. This is 1 and if one more is added to it we get 2. Then one more is added to it we get 3 and one more to it what should we get? 4. Then what is this? 5. Let us see once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let us continue this. How many are these now? 5 and 1 more. 6. And 1 more. 6 and 1 more. 7. 7 and 1 more. 8. 8 and 1 more. Yeah. Yes. 9. And 9 and 1 more. 10. So well, let us count it again. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, let us now see how many are these. We can put all these 10 into a block also. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Well, let us now again go ahead. What is 10 and 1 more? Yes, 11. 11 and 1 more is 12, which we may call 10 and 2 more. Okay. 12 and 1 more, 13, and it is also 10 and 3. Well, so these are 14. 10 and 4 makes 14. Then this is again 1 more, 5. 10 and 5 make, yes, 15. Very good. Then 1 more, 16. 1 more, what will you get? Yes, 17. Very good. Then 1 more, 18. 1 more, 19. And 1 more, 20. Do you know how do we write these numbers? Yes. So write on your paper or on your notebook and show it to your mama or papa or dadi or dada, right? Well, so let us now continue this counting ahead. Do you know what comes after 20? Many numbers. Let us see. So now what we can do is, in place of these 10 blocks, we are having like this one block of 10. So now we have 2 blocks of 10 and 2 blocks of 10, say these are 20 blocks. Very good. So if we add 1 more to this, what shall we get? Now let us see, it is 20 and 1 more. So what is this? Yes, 21. Very good. Let us now continue and I will ask you to now tell me how many are these. Can you directly now count? See, these are 20, then 1 more, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 and 27. Well, very good. So can we continue like this? So what comes after 27? If we add 1 more, we get 28. 1 more will be 29 and 1 more will be 30. So we have now 30 blocks and these 30 blocks even can be written in different ways. How? Let us see. There are these 2 blocks of 10 and how can we say? It is, say now I can combine these into these blocks of 5. So there is one group of 5 another group of 5. So, now what can you say about 20 and this is 30 rather. So, 30 is 20, 5 and 5 more, or can we say it is 25 and 5 more? Yes, why not? So, this way we can continue with numbers. Let us see few more numbers. So, what we will do is now this 30 can be taken as 3 groups of 10 blocks each. These are 10 blocks in each group and there are 3 such groups. Okay. What comes after 30 then? Can we continue the counting? Yes, you all know. Very good. So, let us revise it. So, if we add one more, so what do we get? 30 and one more we call it as 31. Then one more 32. Again one more 33. Then 34, 30 and 4 more 34. One more 34 and one more 35. But we can also say this is 30 and 5 more. Well, so one more is added. Now we are having 30 and 6, or we can even say it like this. These are 33 and 3 more is again 36. Very good. This is 30 and 1 31 and 5 more 36. So, we can see 36 in many different ways. Okay. Let us add one more now. So, how many are these? 36 were already there. Now, 30 are these and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So, we have 7 more. So, we can say 30 and 7 become 37. So, is it not very easy to read these numbers? So, we have to read the blocks of 10, 30 and the rest. So, we call it as 30 and 7, name it as 37. So, 38, one more is 38, one more 39 and one more 40. Can we say 40 is 30 and 10 more? Yes, of course. Why not? Very good. Can we also say 40 is 35 and 5 more? Can we say 40 is 35 and 5? There are many ways of now calling 40. You also try to find in how many different ways we can call 40 or we can make 40, right? Okay. So, let us now again combine these all. You can see these all are there in your notebook. The numbers, how these are written, see this slide, you will find the numbers are written there and you can see how do we combine groups of 10. Well, okay. So, let us continue again. So, 30 were already there, 10 more are added to this, we get 40. So, well, you have seen numbers up to 40, 10, 10 and 10 more 20, 20 and 10 more 30, 30 and 10 more 40. Let us see numbers beyond 40 now. Okay. So, what can we do is, let us see what is 40 and 1 more. 41, yes, 41 and 1 more, 42, 42 and 1 more, yes, 43, very good, you all know this, very good, and 43 and 1 more, 44, and one more thing, now you can see 44 is 40 and 4 more, it is 1 more than 43, and even how many are these now? 10, one block of one group of 10 and 4 more 14 and these are 30. So, can we say 44 is 30 and 14? Yes, of course, why not? Very good. So, even Now, how can you see this? These are 20 and these are again 20 and 4. So, what is 20 and 4? 24 and total are 44. So, how can we say these are 20 and 24 more makes 44. Very good. So, let us now continue after 44. So, one more is 45, one more 46, one more after 46, 47. What comes after 47? Yes, recall? Yes, 48. Very good. One more after 48 is 49 and one more 50. And now there are many ways of looking into 50. How? Let us see. Now what we have, there are, now how many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and let us add 2 more to these, and what shall we get? We will get a block of 10. So, now 50, these all are 50, but 50 is can be now written as or can be read as it is 5 blocks of 10 each, 5 groups of 10 each. So, we can also say they are 5 tens, is not it? Good. Even can we say 30 and 20 make 50? Yes. And can we say 10 and 40 makes 50? Good. Yes. So, there are many ways of looking into 50. Let us see how do we write these numbers. Some are written on the slide, you can see. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10 numbers are written there. Now, can you write? There are few numbers written here and rest of the numbers you have to write. Yes, as the name is, we can directly write. So, if we want to write how many are these? So, can you tell me how many are these now? So, they are 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of 10 or 3 tens. How many are these? 30 and 3 more 33. How will you write 33? For 30 we will write a 3 which says these are 3 tens, and for 3 we will write again 3. So, 3 and 3 or is named as 30 and 3 is written as 33, is not it? Okay. Let us add 3 more to these. Now 36. How can you write 36? Yes, 3 groups of 10. So, we will write 1, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So, 3 and 6 will read as 36. Very good. So, now write all these numbers as are shown on the slide. So, you see, and there are some blanks. Fill up those blanks by writing, or you can write numbers. There are, now you have to do it in 2 different ways. Number 1, what you have to do? Write numbers from 1 to 50 in continuation. 1 to 50 in continuation means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 30. 31, 32, 33 and so on up to 50. Then ask your mama to make a group of objects like this, and then you count and write how many are these and how 36 is to be written. How will you write 45? How will you write 27? How will you write 17? Do you know? Write these. So, keep on writing. This will help you in learning numbers. Okay, let us see numbers in some other different way, and those are, let us say we are having many such situations in which we make groups like this. These were the blocks, now we have some sticks with us. These are ice cream sticks, have you seen? And recall, let us count these again. These are 10 sticks, so bundles of 10. So, let us now again say, let us write, let us see one bundle of 10 and one more. we call it as 110 and 1, 11, 110 and 2, 12, 110 and 3, 13 and so on. Okay. Let me now tell me how many are these, how will you count and what will be the number. These are 10. So, 110 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 110 and 7 more. So, 110 and 7, 17. How do we write 1 and 7? Okay. Now, if we have two groups of 10 now. So, 2 tens and 1, 21, 2 groups and 2, 22, 2 tens and 2 ones. So, if I ask you in 22 how many tens are there? 2 tens. How many ones are there? 2 ones. Okay. Let us see how many are these. Count and tell me. These are there. I hope you can now count. You can see these on your screen and tell me how many are these. These are two groups of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are these? Two groups of 10 and 6 ones, 26. How can you write? Yes, write it. You can even play the game with your mama, with your brother, with your sister, with your dadi. What can you do? Write a number on your palm like this, on mama's palm, and ask her to tell what number is written. Will it not be interesting? Yes, of course. Well, so let us now again continue beyond 29. So, what we have 30 now, say for example. So, these are 30. So, what can we say? There are 3 groups of tens or 3 tens, and how many are loose? How many ones are there? No one. So, what do we do? When something is absent, we write a symbol like this, which we call as 0. So, we say 3 tens and 0 ones. So, how do we write 30? 3 0. Do you remember? Okay. Now, this is 31 and maybe how many are these? Just try to find. Let us see 30, then this is 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So, these are 38. How can you write 38? 3 groups of 10 and 8 ones. 38 is 38. Even now, recall in the beginning I told you this can be even read as 20, 10 and 8, 18. So, what can we say? 20 and 18 also make 38. There are many ways of looking into it. Well, so these are 38. Now, if we have 4 groups of 10, then what do we call it? Now, remember, recall 4 tens and no ones, we call that 40, and 40 is nothing but 1 more than 39. Okay. Add 1 more to it, we will have 41, 1 more we will have 42 and so on. So, let us see now how many are these. Count, 40 are already there, 41, 42, 43, then is 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Very good. So, these are 48. Let us add 1 more to it, we get 49, sorry, 48 and 1 more is 49. Well, okay, if we add 1 more, we can say 40 and 10 are 50. Yes, and even we can see it in place of these loose 10, I can have a bundle of 10. So, I can say that 5 bundles of 10 make 50 or 5 tens 50. So, how many tens are there in 50? 5 tens. Okay. Now, tell me how many tens are there in this? These are 45. So, how many tens are there? 45. And surprisingly, these will remain same even if we put it like this, 40 here and 5 here, even then it will be 45. If I put 40 here and 5 here, even then it will be 45. Even if I have 40 like this and 5 like this, even then this will be 40. Or now if I put it like this, all combined, but I know how many are these, even then these will be 40. How much? Lose 45. Very good. So, this way you can read all these numbers and you can even write the numbers. Okay. So, well, seen on the screen now, how 18 is written? 1 and 8. But what does it mean? One group of 10 and 8 lose, 8 ones, 1 10 and 8 ones. There are 2 blanks. Can you see? One group of 10 and how many other matchsticks are shown here? 5. You count and write. You count and tell your mama how many are these. Okay, let us see now 20 and 1. There are 2 groups of 10 and 1 more, 21. Similarly, 2 groups of 10 and 2 more, 2 groups of 10 and no more, 0 ones. So, 2 groups of 10 is 20, and similarly you can write all these numbers, count and write. So, let us see how many are these. There are many ways of writing these all numbers. Well, 30 and 1 more, 31, 30 and 2 more. Now, see 32 is written, but there are no blocks of 10 shown here. So, what you have to do? Draw them and write it here. Okay? Whatever is missing, write it there and you will find the number, count and write. So, well, you have 3 blocks of 10, 3 groups of 10 and 36 is written. So, how many ones will be there? You draw your matchsticks, maybe on your notebook or on your book also you can do the same thing. Yes. So, for 36 I need 3 tens and 6 ones. And similarly, in all these you try to fill up the blanks. Right. So, as I told you, now you write down all the numbers in an order. In an order means from 1 to 50, up to 10 it is written there, but then numbers are written with certain gaps. You have to fill these gaps. What number will come where? Right? And I hope you can do it. Oh, very interesting question is now coming up. Can you count number of bicycles here in this or number of wheels on the bicycles? So, what you can do? Count. There are black marks which you can count. These will show you the number of cycles. And if you have to find the number of wheels, how many wheels in each cycle we have? 2 wheels. So, what will be the number of wheels? Number of wheels will be double of number of cycles. How can you find double? By adding the number of cycles to itself. Now, this is an exercise for you. You freeze on your television set or on your computer, freeze this and then count, okay, and tell us. We will wait for your answer. Next time when we will meet, I will ask you how many bicycles are there and how many wheels are there. And again, you can also send us the number charts. Write down the numbers from 1 to 50 and send it to us. Send it on email or through YouTube or maybe many other ways. So, kindly do it. We will see you again. Thank you very much.